Do you know how to say what you do every day in English? Let's learn 50 daily verbs together. Wake up. Wake up. I wake up at 7 every morning. Brush. Brush. She brushes her teeth after breakfast. Wash. Wash. He washes his face with cold water. Get dressed. Get dressed. I get dressed before going to work. Eat. Eat. They eat lunch together at school. Drink. Drink. She drinks coffee every morning. Go. Go. We go to the gym twice a week. Come. Come. He comes home late from work. 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 My father works in an office. Study. Study. I study English every day. Read. Read. She reads a new book every month. Write. Write. He writes notes during the class. Cook. Cook. My mom cooks delicious meals. Clean. Clean. I clean my room every weekend. Drive. Drive. He drives to work every morning. Walk. Walk. We walk in the park after dinner. Run. Run. She runs 5 kilometers every day. Sleep. Sleep. I sleep 8 hours every night. Watch. Watch. They watch TV after dinner. Listen. Listen. I listen to music while studying. Talk. Talk. She talks to her friends on the phone. Call. Call. He calls his parents every Sunday. Buy. Buy. I buy groceries on Saturdays. Pay. Pay. She pays the bills online. Open. Open. He opens the window in the morning. Close. Close. Please close the door when you leave. Sit. Sit. I sit next to my best friend in class. Stand. Stand. We stand up when the teacher enters. Help. Help. She helps her brother with homework. Learn. Learn. I learn something new every day. Teach. Teach. He teaches English at a language school. Laugh. Laugh. They laugh at funny jokes. Cry. Cry. The baby cries when he is hungry. Love. Love. I love spending time with my family. Hate. Hate. She hates waking up early. Smile. Smile. He always smiles at everyone. Wait. Wait. I wait for the bus every morning. Meet. Meet. We meet our friends on weekends. Visit. Visit. I visit my grandparents once a month. Travel. Travel. They travel abroad every summer. Send. Send. She sends an email to her boss. Receive. Receive. I receive many messages every day. Use. Use. He uses his phone too much. Need. Need. I need a cup of coffee right now. Want? Want? She wants to buy a new dress. Find. Find. He finds his keys under the table. Lose. Lose. I always lose my umbrella. Remember. Remember. She remembers everyone's birthday. Forget. Forget. I sometimes forget my wallet at home. Enjoy. Enjoy. We enjoy watching movies together. Great. You now know action verbs. Next, let's learn how to greet and introduce yourself.